Garmin mocks the latest Apple Watch Ultra as a teasing tweet that targets the advertised battery life of the Apple. Finally, we have the brand new Apple Watch Ultra, which is priced $799, and it comes in the natural finish with the titanium chassis and the massive 49mm case size. The Apple Watch Ultra hasn't one but two diving sensors, so there's one to measure the water depth down to 40 meters and another to measure the water temperature. These work in combination with a subscription-based diving app. The Oceanic Plus app on the Apple Watch is subscription-based. Its new design and display can take your exploration and outdoor activities even further. Moreover, the Apple Watch Ultra has something that you see only on Garmin. By providing advanced features, Apple appears to be competing with Garmin. Garmin published a tweet that targets the advertised battery life of the Apple Watch Ultra. "We measure battery life in months, not hours," and the tweet includes a hashtag for the recently launched multi-sport flagship smartwatch, the Garmin Enduro 2. The Apple Watch Ultra will give you a battery that can last about 36 hours or at max 60 hours on a low power mode. Apple Watch Ultra comes in a semi-rounded rectangular with a flat sapphire display instead of the round edges that we have seen in the previous models. The digital crown is the larger and the side button is raised from the case, making them easier to use even wearing gloves. Keeping with buttons for a moment, the Apple Watch Ultra also brings a third orange pusher to the device. The action button allows users to switch between workout modes or mark segments during those workouts. Action button is customizable for whatever you want for your workouts, and you can use it for waypoints, your GPS. They have also added multi-band GPS. That's something you only see on Garmin and Coros watches at the moment. In terms of the thickness, it is 35% thicker than the Apple Watch Series 8, and the Apple Watch Ultra can also withstand the temperature between -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, and there's also a new Bluetooth standard, Bluetooth 5.3. You'll notice a revamped compass app, and that app is more than just the compass itself. That includes the ability to do saving away points, so you can save, for example, the parking lot that you might start in or the trailhead, and that allows you to back to that point later on using TrackPack feature. TrackPack will basically automatically kick in when you're outdoors. It will track the route using GPS, so you can navigate back to the point later on using the waypoint that you saved. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.